Here's how to scrape Carousell reviews in a list with no coding knowledge. For this we'll need the Carousell scraper from Nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next press reviews in the list. As you can see, we extracted the reviews in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then press load more. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scope for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press stop. Now head to the settings. Then press on stored data. In here you can find all data is scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on customize. Then press on reviews in the list. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can check some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add a criteria to only scrape the products you're looking for. Once you're done, press save. You can also find more features in the add-on section. Now to export this, press add to export list. Then press export. You can export it in many different ways. I'll export as HTML. After exporting, here's the data we extracted.